Hello everyone, my name is Berlin. In today's video, I'm gonna to show you how to make this super practical envelope bucket. Perfect for storing ephemera in your young journals. So, let's get started. If you're interested, you can get this printable kit in our Etsy shop. I've left the link in the description of this video. I printed everything on a standard 220 grams cardstock and cut everything by hand with scissors. I'll start with the envelope and I'm going to add some distress ink around the edges. This step is totally optional. Score the fold lines on the envelope tabs, just the ones on the side and the bottom. Fold the tabs well and glue them using white glue or double-sided tape. To decorate the top flap, you can use lace or leave it plain. In my case, I will add this lovely lace, which I think looks much pretty and gives it more vintage touch. This kit includes various ephemera like these cards. I'm going to ink the edges of the cards, and for the mini tags I will add an eyelet, but of course that is optional. This little card have a recycled paper effect with natural flowers to make them look more realistic. I'll distress the edges using this tool, but you don't have one, you can use scissors like I'm doing here. Now use the rest of the ephemera to decorate however you like. Decorate the front of the envelope as you like, using the fussy cuts and words labels included in the kit. I added foam tape to give it a dimensional effect and finishing off with a dry natural flower. Lastly, place all the ephemera into the envelope and tuck it into your favorite junk journals. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, I hope you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Here's the flip through. See you in the next video. Bye bye!